today show you another like how to build Lego butterfly. Now this is my version 2. It's gonna be so good. So version 2, the blades quite regular now, and handle a bit better now. So let's start the video. So here are the parts, guys, you need. So first we're gonna build the handle. So first, the part of handle, you need this. Build this. How to make this? You need one of these tall pieces over here. These. We're just gonna take it off. These tall pieces, and what you do is just gonna put this inside first. You get 1 by 1 block. Your 2 by 2 block formed like this, and put this long piece that I use on my other butterfly knife and put it in here, this, and put one of these in here, these kind of pieces. I'm just gonna take it off. Wait, just gonna take it off. There you go. These kind of pieces, and put them here. Come on, fit. So here it is. After doing this, you just need to build another one. The other one is just the same, except this other side, and 2 sides here. So what you do is you just need to do the same, and but this one, put this 2 by 3 block over here, just the same as this, but the 2 by 2 block. What you do is you build these two, which sticking together. This, oh no, together like this. So here you go. Done with the first part of the handle. Next is you need to put one of these, 2 of these, and put them. So I'll let you count how many are these studs. Wait, you can say it over. Okay, over here. So there, and put them right here, and both of these sides for here, so that this will lock like this. So same the other side over here, like this. So after that, put a 1 by 1 tile, put it in here, space here, over here, put the tile over here. Next, what you do is get four of these over here, 4 of these, and first to stack it right over here, both on the top. So put on the top like this, and same on the other side, but you must put them here or here, whatever you want, but not in the center. But if you have 1 by 1 tiles, you can put one in here and here. So if you want to put it here, you just gotta put it here. Put the 2 here. So after that, we're done, and we're not done actually yet. We need 2 by 2 tiles. Put them here, the spaces. So we got this smooth grip here. And next we need this 2 by 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 by 8, and put them in here. That's why you need these. So the same other side, and put one of these in here. Just need to put it in here, in this hole over here, like this. So after doing this, build 2, and next we're going to the blade. Hey guys, here is the blade. So first we need these kind of bricks here, and to make this together like this, first I'm gonna talk about, I use one of these double-sided pieces. I buy it from my Lego, this Russian cannons, that they have one of these pieces, so I use them. So you just need to do that. Next, you need this tall plate over here. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, it's 11. Wait, it's actually 12. Yeah, 12. See this long black piece here? It's 12. 2 by 12. And next, you need kind of this piece over here. Just gonna take this off like this. Just take that off. You need a double-sided piece here. Stack one by one here on the top of them. And this kind of piece over here. Fold these pieces here and put it one by one, and just fold the pieces here, and some 2 by 6 plate and 2 by 2 plates, or you can use a 2 by 4 plate, and just put this. So after that, you put this now. And next of this, you still need to put double-sided barfly. I mean, this two-sided piece with studs in them. Oh, sorry for that. And they said you need to get one of these. So you need actually 1, 2, 3 these. After that, you can put a stud or a 1 by 1 piece plate. And finally, you just need to put in 2 by 6 plate here. And so after that, just need to make another one. Another one is, wait, I'll just see if they're really just the same. Yeah, they're just really the same, guys, but you need to get a 2 by 2 plate and put it here. So after that, guys, you just need to each other. You just need to create another one, like I said, but without this and this and this and this. Just without that. Just do like this. Here, I'll let you show. Let's make another one. Tall piece again, 2 by 2, another tall piece. Just full space here. One of this, 1 by 1 plate here. This piece, you can use a 2 by 2 plate here. Same the other one. Same other one actually. I use this too. You can use a 2 by 4 a tile here, and also a 2 by 6 tile. Same. So just put them together like this. So yeah, here it is, guys. We're done with the blade. So after that, just get your 2 parts. Just attach them together. So get 2 parts. So first, you just need to get the tile space here, but direction is here for the tiles, not like this, but like this. The tiles must be fronting there, not there. Okay, so just put it over here like that. Clips perfectly. Same the other side. The 2 tile spaces staring together. So just there you go. Wait, just gotta squeeze it. I can't actually fit sometimes actually. Oh, okay. Wait, guys. It's kinda alright. That's why. Just need to fix that, and just the same. Tile must be fronting other tiles. So here it is, guys. Here's your Lego butterfly knife. It's pretty cool, right? So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, please. So yeah. And goodbye.